and pull up the charts and let's talk a little bit about what it is that you're looking for. I know some people like to take the bigger moves, some people like to take the quick scalps. Everybody's sort of got a different philosophy on what makes them more successful. So based on your experience, the time that you've spent in it, what are we actually looking for?
Basically, I'm looking for trend moves.
Okay.
I want price to generally be above the moving average. And if it is, I'm looking to buy strong bull bars or pullbacks to the moving average. And the exact opposite for a bear trend, the price is below it, pulls back, you get short below a strong bear bar. In trading ranges, when the price is above the moving average, you're usually looking for a double top or a triple top to sell short. And then the price will go below the moving average. And I'm looking for a double bottom or a triple bottom, maybe a couple legs up, 2 or 3 legs up. So this was a Friday. We had a big gap down.
Yeah.
And we had this doji bar. Just kind of made me think we might would have a trading range, but then we got this strong bear bar. I sold below that for a quick scalp. Then we had these 3 bull bars with the large tails above them. Mm-hmm. So that was showing some selling pressure. Mm-hmm. Once this bar closed, I got short below it.
Okay.
I took a quick scalp there too, but it went down quite a bit. And we had 1, 2, 3 legs down. And then we had a large bull bar. It was an outside bar. So buyers bought above that bar. I was done by then. But you see, we came back to the moving average. We had some tails up here. We got above it. Then we had a large bear bar. So bears go back to shorten.
So for you, which moving average are you using? What's your?
I'm using the 21.
21. Okay. So based on this, when you talk about scalping, are you looking for a specific number of ticks or points, or is it going to be based on what the price action tells you?
It really just depends on how I feel about the market. I normally would like to try to get 5 or 10 points in the ES. Like if you just sold below this large bear bar, your stop pretty much has to go up here, and that's a lot of points. But yeah, sometimes I get out for less points. If the market seems like it's just not wanting to go in that direction, I would get out. But normally 5 to 10 points in the ES. In the NASDAQ, I was doing between like 10 to 30 points.
Yeah, well, different market for sure. Nowadays, you'd be looking for 200.
Yeah.
Now, I see we've got a little trend line on there. Are you looking for like your typical bear flags and entries as it bounces off that moving average?
Yeah, this would be a bear flag, basically a low 2, or this bar didn't trigger, it pulled back. So you could sell this flag line. You could sell below this bear bar. And we were in like a broad bear channel.
Right.
You could see that the bulls and the bears were making money Friday, but it was a broad bear channel. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's kind of the way I look at the market. It just depends on what price is doing.
Now, are you looking for a certain number of trades a day? I mean, does like if you see 3 to 5 entries, are you going to take them, or is there just a profit target or a loss limit that you're looking for?
I don't really have a daily target. I do what I call extreme scalping. And I used to do like 20 trades. I've had days where I do 20 trades and win every one of them.
Wow.
Or I might lose 1 or 3 trades, but really high win rate. And but what I found is that if I can pull off 2 or 3 good trades in a day, then that's a good day. And normally I find the longer that I do trade, it winds up becoming a losing day.
I think we've all kind of been down that road. There comes a point where it's like, when are you going to be satisfied? Now, you talked about that move, and you took your 5 points or whatever it was, and the move continued to go. Do you struggle at all with that sort of sense of loss? I could have stayed in longer, or have you come to a point where you're satisfied with, you followed your strategy says this many points, and I'm done?
If I can get in the market and get out in the green, then I'm totally satisfied. I watch the market. Even when I quit trading, I leave it up, and I see the money that I leave on the table. If I can have a green day stacked on top of another green day and another green day, you can't trade the market all day.
No.
I don't want to. Just an hour or two is really ideal for me.